Take 4. Let's go.
If it doesn't, we'll
Dude!
quit.
Hopefully Mr.J doesn't time out for the 4th time, god damn it.
Alright, I'm on first.
Oh god.
Actually, I think we're good.
Let's, Alpha Zeta. Ouch. Ooh, banished.
Macabre, vanish.
Red Eyes Fusion. Yugioh Shogun. Kokeyatsu. What the f. Pop and burn. Pop and burn. Battle. Dragoon. Direct attack. Dunendo. A dear servant. Dragoon negate, discarding, what? Who the okay, so that was negated, okay, because I gained, okay.
Everybody's got to rely on Dragoon. That's how.
How come you couldn't negate it with, oh you have to have another Dogmatika, okay. Let's do this.
Oh, fuck. Trying. Trying. Ain't fight, just fight Dragoon.
Alright.
Come on. Please, no. Punishment. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Then turn.
Who did you add with Ecclesia? What did you add?
Punishment.
Huh. Cyber emergency.
No problem.
Zeta. Alpha Zeta.
Okay.
Effect adding Benton. Zeta. Benton. Punishment.
How do I want to do this? Now, I can do that, which will allow me to win. Yeah, what that? What's on that?
Ooh, Apollon, huh? Zeta, add ritual. Benton.
Change.
Oh.
Apollon. Send. Nobleman of extermination.
What am I getting here? From, what's it called?
Oh. Let's see.
Normal summon diviner. Activate effect.
Do I want to be a dick now? Yeah.
Ooh, okay.
Droplets.
And drop the droplet, huh? Drop the droplet. Well, if I do that, I could get something again. You know what? Go for the Medionis. All that. All that. Yeah. Oh, it's a view. Okay. Yeah, tribute. Oh, the orange light coming in clutch. Oh, let's duel whiz. I got that one. I got that one. That's a wrap. I win. Thank you, Mr. J, for the duel.
After I got disconnected 25 times.
I would have got it. I would have got it. I would have had Dragoon and Herald.
Hey, if you can't play, just play God. That can't
A little bit of Dragoon and everything. Comment, share. Like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.